Welcome! Clout Talk is away. Clout Talk is lifted off. I'm with the host of every other show, Ethan Edivar.
Hey.
This guy, Joseph Azizi, is one of the guests I'm gonna hold. And you know, I just nature talk. Now, on the floor, get down, Ethan, command it.
Guys, we're gonna sit down and talk about nature. On the floor, crisscross.
Applesauce!
Hold hands. Everyone.
Okay, everyone get in a circle.
Everyone, hold hands. Ryan, lead this endeavor.
I'm Jewish. We don't do this.
Bomba clot.
Here we will
We are
talk
in the
about
deep
Clout.
forest of Jamaica. You know, Joseph, you wanted to be on this show. I need you to take my hand. I need you to take my hands. I need to stand up. I need you guys to sit back down.
Am I standing up too?
Yes, stand up. I need you guys to sit in the chairs. Me and Joseph are gonna have a little dance of sorts. Joseph, you're gonna copy after me on 1, 2, 3. Humpty, humpty, humpty. Okay? Okay. You ready?
No.
3, 2, 1. Humpty, humpty, humpty. You gotta say the words too.
I don't know the word.
Humpty.
Humpty?
Hump a T, like hump a camel, except hump a T.
Why do you call them camels?
Go hard. You want me to do it?
Go
Yeah,
on.
right. Let me
Go
show him
on.
an example. Let me show him.
Let
me show him an example.
Okay, you wanna get in this?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ready?
Humpty, humpty, humpty. Joseph,
I'm the
now
producer.
Now I need you guys.
But you should have a
Wonderful
camel on the show.
Yes, I know.
Ryan,
The two wonderful
get up there,
guys.
Joseph.
You guys,
You
I
guys
did
do
introduce
a
you guys.
three-way humpatee.
You guys
What
need
we
to do
doing?
humpatee. You guys-
Humpatee? Alright, ready?
Go.
Humpatee, humpatee, humpatee. Hey, I'm no camel, bro.
And you know, the ass that was just smacked was introduced by the presence of the light that is above. That was Clout Talk. You're welcome.
For more Clout Talks, talk to us next time on Clout Talk. I'm the producer.
Shut up! No!
I own the show.
No!
I own the show.
I am the general manager of the world. And I understand.
For more talks on nature and Clout,
Talk to me, because I am the producer.
Find
I am
out
the
next
Clout.
time.
I am everything.
on Clout Talk.
We are Ethan and Ryan, and we run the Clout.
That's right, Ethan and Ryan.
Ryan and Ethan.
Clout Talk out.